Hey, Miss Jean.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm all right.
What part of your body are we going to be working on here?
No, the back of my neck.
Back of your neck. You've got a bump back there. How long have you had it?
About 3 weeks.
It just showed up 3 weeks ago.
Well, it flared up about 3 weeks ago.
So you had something there before that?
Yeah.
I think you did too. I think you had like a little cyst or something, and then it got angry and infected.
Right.
And you came in and you saw somebody else, and then they called me over to check it out for you, right?
That's it.
And I said, uh-oh, we have an infection because you had a big red streak on this, kind of right off in this area here, all right? And we put you on some antibiotics. She gave you a little shot too, didn't she?
No, no shot.
Well, have you ever had anything like this before?
It did pop up about a year ago.
In this same spot?
Yes.
Did it just drain on its own, or did you squeeze it, or what happened?
No, I was given antibiotics, and it shrunk, and
From a different doctor's office.
yeah, I wasn't here.
Okay. Gummy G's going to spray some cold spray, and then you're going to get a little stick sting and a burn. Here we go. Nice and slow, nice and easy. Have you had your lunch yet?
No.
Me either. I don't eat on Mondays, though. Do I, Gummy G?
No.
No.
Mondays and Thursdays.
Mondays and Thursdays I don't eat. So I'm standing up, just kind of leaning over here. I might be sitting on the table with you here in a minute, depending on how this how this goes. So we think you have an epidermoid cyst that was secondarily infected, and we think there's going to be some fluid in here that's probably going to need to come out. But our goal is to open this up and remove the entire contents of the cyst along with the sac, okay?
All right.
And if we achieve our goal, then this won't come back in the future like it did, from before. So before you were just given some antibiotics, they thought maybe it was just an infection. They didn't think it was maybe a cyst. That'd be my guess.
No, I guess. Yeah, they didn't do any follow-up or
Nothing
any
like
other
that, huh?
instructions.
There we go. You got a little spot there, a little punctum where it wants to already start draining a little bit. Now we're going to go just a little bit deeper with this injection. Here we go. A little deeper. You want to try to get underneath a little bit without having this spew. And the reason I'm doing this is because when we get down inside the cyst and below it, you're going to have some areas in there that could get tender, and we don't want you to feel any pain. Okay? No pain is good, right?
Right.
You like that?
Do you need a culture or no?
No, we're not infected right now. So we're going to make a little incision with a 15 blade right across here, right in the neckline. Okay? So that we can sort of go with the crease in the neck. And the reason we do that is so that there'll be less of a scar. Okay. So I'm going to set that scalpel down, and we're just going to give it a little bit of a squeeze here and see if we can get out. Yeah, so we've got combination just fluid along with some, we'll call them little chunks of the older material that was in there probably from a year ago. Kind of coming out. You feeling any pain?
No.
Good. Unfortunately, I can get a pretty good view. I can look in there and I can see what we have. Okay, so I think we have all the little pieces of sac removed, and we're going to do a little flush here. Let that bubble out. All right, and let's go with 5-O-ethylene or 5-O-nylon, whichever you have over there is fine. So we definitely debulked everything, and then we scraped out and snipped out the sac, and hopefully you're not going to see any more of this in the future.
Used to go visit a half uncle that lived in Evangeline, and he introduced me when I was a kid to alligator gar. He brought me doing that, and I knew what an alligator gar looked like, and I don't know about this Uncle
They're
Steve.
ugly.
Yeah, and I said, no, it's good, it's good. It was.
You tasted it? You ate it?
Oh yeah, it was good.
I liked it because it almost gives you like a texture of chicken and fish
Yeah,
together.
yeah. It's not like it's not flaky. It's
Right.
It's chewy, huh?
That's one of my favorite fish, garfish.
Well,
And the bones are bigger, so you
not-
don't
yeah,
have to
yeah, the bones are
worry
bigger.
about.
Yeah, and he did it on a pit like
dying
you were fixing chicken or something.
Right.
Yeah.
and there we go. A little wet gauze. Thank you. I'm gonna give you the needle back. But we enjoy doing it. We like doing it.
You see the one where the guy's a good-looking guy and his girlfriend uses a razor blade on his face and it cut it. She had to be she had to have been a nurse or something. She knew what she was doing. She used a razor blade, made a perfect
Lanced
cut,
it.
and I mean, just
She sutured it and everything.
it didn't show the suture.
Okay.
Something tell me he got a butterfly band as well.
Probably.
Dang.
Okay. Well, there we go, Gumby Jean. I'm gonna leave that to you to put a little dressing on. Miss Jean, everything went perfectly.
Great.
I appreciate you letting us video for all our friends. And you can take those stitches out if you want in about a week, or you can come back and we'll do it for you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Hey guys, just want to let you know that Meta 7 really does work like all these testimonials are saying, and it helped with my hair, it helped with my nail growth, and it could actually help you lose weight. So if you want to pick up yours today, go to the link below in Amazon and get it soon, and you're going to see all the results.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below. All right, folks, this is Emily, and Emily's been using Coco Skin Plus. Emily, you want to give your personal testimonial?
I started taking Coco Skin Plus about 6 months ago, and since then I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. It's softer, my hair is softer, and it's grown so long.
Awesome.
I highly recommend it. I've definitely noticed a difference. It's definitely helped my hair feel better, my skin feel better, and you can pick it up on Amazon.
All right, check out Coco Skin Plus on m7amazon.com. Available, and it was designed by Dr. John Gilmore. Thanks.